finding the equation of the line given the slope and y-intercept. And we have the slope here denoted by small letter m, and we have the y-intercept denoted by small letter b. And we have slope-intercept form y is equal to mx plus b. Our first example, we have slope m is equal to 4 and y-intercept b is equal to negative 5. So, isulat lang natin yung ating slope-intercept form na y is equal to mx plus b. And then, let us substitute lang ng mga given. M is equal to 4, b is equal to negative 5. So, we have y is equal to 4x since our m is 4 plus negative 5 since our y-intercept b is equal to negative 5. So, kapag ganito yung naging itsura niya, meron pang parenthesis dito. I-multiply lang natin yung positive times negative. So, we have y is equal to 4x minus 5. At ito na yung ating magiging slope-intercept form ng ating given, which is slope m is equal to 4 and y-intercept is equal to negative 5. And for the second example, we have m is equal to, let's say, negative 3. And y-intercept 0, 3. Okay? This point form of y-intercept is same with this 0, b for the y-intercept. So, ganun pa din. Sulat lang natin si y is equal to mx plus b. And let's just substitute those givens. So, y is equal to, our value of m is negative 3, just copy x, plus the value of our b, which is 3. And that is the equation of the line from the slope m is equal to 3 and y-intercept 3.